Many of you find snakes a little scary because they look strange and they slither and crawl around. But did you know that snakes are super interesting creatures with very unique characteristics? Today, we're going to explore 7 cool facts about snakes that you might not know. First, you should know that snakes have a really big family. According to the latest data, there are 3,789 species of snakes, making them the second largest reptile group after lizards. They are divided into 30 different families and many subfamilies. In Australia alone, there are about 140 species of snakes. Each species adapts to different habitats, from dry deserts to humid rainforests. This shows the diversity and richness of the snake world. Next, you should know that snakes are cold-blooded animals, meaning their body temperature changes with the temperature of their environment. To stay warm, snakes often bask in the sun during the day and find warm places when it's cold. You can see them lying on rocks, enjoying the warm sunshine. Most of you think that all snakes lay eggs, right? Not really. About 70% of snake species lay eggs, the rest don't. Snakes that live in cold places usually give birth to live young to help them survive. Giving birth helps the mother snake protect her babies better in harsh weather conditions. Snakes don't have eyelids. This means they don't blink and have to sleep with their eyes wide open. Instead of eyelids, their eyes are protected by a thin membrane called a brill. This membrane is like a pair of protective glasses, shielding their eyes from dust. Snakes have nostrils, but they don't use them to smell. They use their tongues to catch scents in the air. Then they put their tongues into the Jacobson's organ to taste the scent. They have forked tongues to gather different chemical signals more clearly. Snakes can't chew, so they have to swallow their prey whole. Snake jaws are very flexible, allowing them to open their mouths wider than their heads. Some snakes can even swallow prey 2 or 3 times bigger than their heads. When we see a snake moving, we imagine it's like an artist. But believe it or not, snakes have 5 ways of moving. Slithering in an S shape is the most common way snakes move. They move by bending their bodies in a wave-like pattern. Depending on the terrain, snakes can also use other ways of moving, for example, concertina movement, where the snake's body contracts and expands like a spring, sidewinding and rectilinear movement. By now, you're probably less afraid of these creatures, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos.